Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing the Realtek microphone drivers on your Windows 11 computer. So the process is nearly identical for earlier versions of Windows as well, but I just wanted to make a tutorial for Windows 11 here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by just opening up a web browser of our choice, and you want to search for Realtek audio drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from Realtek.com webpage here. So PC Audio Codecs. Go ahead and open that up. You go ahead and select the appropriate one for your computer here. So if you're running a 64-bit version of Windows 11, we're going to go ahead and select that respective download here. And then you're going to agree to the terms above and select download this file. So apparently you have to type in an email here. So I'm just going to type in some random email. And then I'm going to select download this file. And you might have to enter a captcha code here. So let me just type that in and then select go. So it looks like this is going to take a ridiculously long amount of time here. So I'm just going to actually end the video here. Just go ahead and download this. And then once it is done downloading, it's a pretty straightforward walkthrough process of installing it. So I don't know if their servers are just a little bit slow today, but I'm not going to wait 4 hours for this to finish downloading. But pretty straightforward process, like I said. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.